shapes for you and me.
At lunch, Monkey doesn't want to share.
Monkey, sharing makes everyone happy.
Sharing toys, sharing food.
Sharing makes a happy mood.
Friends forever, side by side. Sharing fills our hearts with pride.
When we share, we smile so wide. Love and kindness live inside.
Sharing makes the world so bright. Let's all share with hearts so light.
Monkey, today you learned ABC, numbers, colors, and shapes. And the most important lesson, sharing.
Yes, teacher! School is so much fun! I can't wait for tomorrow!
And tomorrow, a new adventure begins. Banana treasure hunt. Stay tuned, kids.
Goodbye, kids. See you soon. Under the stars or under the moon. Learning is fun every day. Come back tomorrow. Hip, hip, hooray. Wave your hands and clap along. Goodbye, friends. It's the end of the song. Tomorrow's fun will come again. See you soon, my little friends.
And so ended Nana's very first day of school, full of ABCs, bananas, and a very bright future.